You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 1024.9465. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values, add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 5 plus 4 plus 6, equals 15. Carry 1 to the thousandths place. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9, equals 26. Carry 2 to the hundredths place. 2 plus 4 plus 6, equals 14. Carry 1 to the tenths place. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, equals 9. 3 plus 2 plus 9, equals 14. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1, equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 plus 6, equals 10. Carry 1 to the thousands place. Write 1 in the thousands place, and so the final result is 1024.9465.